UVW Unwrap has been revamped to help streamline the workflow and increase performance with dense geometry and high-res maps. Addressing some key user requests, texture creation now has better performance, visual feedback, and more efficient workflows. For example, users can now work with multi-tile layout in the editor, and supports for Mudbox, ZBrush, and UDIM tile naming conventions have been added. In an effort to bring consistency across the software tools, Unwrap has inherited many modeling selection methods, such as double-click for loop selection or shift-click to select rings. Mirror selection with a threshold simplifies the cutting of a mesh on symmetrical models. It's now easier than ever to unwrap models by defining seams cutting and unfolding the clusters in one simple mode. The accuracy and symmetry of peel has vastly improved. For example, as you cut the mesh apart, it automatically lays out the UVs in a much cleaner way. This workflow allows you to cut and see the peel update immediately. Seams are now easier to visualize with a point-to-point selection preview that shows the result before you finalize the selection. When users isolate selection in the UV editor, it now also isolates the mesh in the viewport, which will greatly help access interior geometry, a process that was challenging in previous versions. The new checker map provides more feedback on the model and helps better identify the areas since it has both colors and numbers. If distortion occurs, it can be visualized in a shaded cluster view, providing feedback on the model. More consistent toolsets such as transform and relax brushes inherited from modeling simplifies the editing with interactive adjustments, eliminating steps. Additionally, several workflow improvements have been added. For instance, material IDs can be set directly in the modifier. A fast, new algorithm for non-convex packing also makes much more efficient use of the texture space. UVW Unwrapped has been overhauled with new simplified peel and several improvements to help streamline the workflow and increase performance with dense geometry and high-res maps.